Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Can you join Google Meet without a Gmail account? This is a really common question, and the straightforward answer is yes, absolutely. You do not need a Google account or a Gmail address to participate in a Google Meet call. The process is actually quite simple and designed for inclusivity. Here's how it works. First, the person who is hosting the Google Meet must invite you and ensure their meeting settings allow for guest participants. They will then send you a direct meeting link. This link can arrive via email, a text message, or even a chat application. Once you receive that link, simply click on it. Your web browser will open, taking you directly to the Google Meet waiting room. You will see a prompt asking you to enter your name. Just type in your preferred name, then click the Ask to Join button. This action sends a request to the meeting host. The host will then receive a notification that you are waiting to enter the call. They will see your name and simply click Admit or Allow to let you in. And just like that, you are connected and participating in the Google Meet, even without ever having logged into a Google account. You just need the link, a working internet connection, and optionally, a webcam and microphone. Keep in mind, as a guest, you won't have a persistent Google profile tied to the meeting. This means you might not access features like viewing chat history later, or directly scheduling future meetings. But for joining and actively participating in the live session, a Gmail account is completely unnecessary. It's a very easy way to collaborate with anyone, regardless of their email provider.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.